Welcome to our roundup of the best island range hoods for modern kitchens this year. Whether you're upgrading your cooking space, dealing with lingering smoke and odors, or simply looking to add a sleek, functional centerpiece to your kitchen, we've handpicked the top island range hoods that deliver powerful ventilation, stylish design, energy efficiency, and reliable performance, all designed to make your cooking experience cleaner, healthier, and more enjoyable. We'll break down each hood's key features like extraction power, airflow capacity, noise level, lighting, build material, installation type, and design elements, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen island. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate island range hood for your home. Starting at number 5 is the Empava 36-inch island range hood. Empava has built a reputation for offering modern, high-performance kitchen appliances that combine style and functionality, making it ideal for homeowners looking for an affordable yet reliable option. It features a 36-inch stainless steel canopy, 780 CFM of powerful airflow, and 3-speed settings, offering efficient smoke and odor removal from your kitchen. Its LED lighting illuminates your cooking area perfectly, while the easy-to-clean baffle filters ensure maintenance is simple and quick. The hood's design adds a sleek, contemporary touch to any kitchen island, complementing both modern and transitional kitchen decor. This product is praised for its affordable price, ease of installation, and strong suction, but some drawbacks include slightly higher noise at maximum speed and limited ducting flexibility. Overall, it's great for home cooks and small to medium-sized kitchens looking for a balance of performance and affordability. Next up is the Tizi Island Range Hood, perfect for medium to large kitchens or open-concept spaces. Tizi has been gaining popularity for user-friendly appliances that focus on efficient performance without compromising on style. It includes 800 CFM airflow, stainless steel construction, touch control panel, and energy-efficient LED lights, delivering strong ventilation while keeping energy consumption low. Additional perks include quiet operation at lower speeds, dishwasher-safe filters, and modern aesthetic lines that enhance the kitchen's appearance. Users love the powerful suction, sleek design, and smooth operation, though installation may require professional help due to its weight and size. Ideal for families or homeowners with frequent cooking and entertaining needs, this model brings both style and substance to your kitchen island. Coming in at number 3 is the Medea Island Range Hood, a brand known for innovative and durable kitchen appliances that offer great value. Covering medium to large islands, it's perfect for busy kitchens and avid cooks who need reliable extraction performance. It features a 36-inch stainless steel hood, 760 CFM airflow, and adjustable speed settings, allowing users to tailor ventilation to their cooking intensity. Smart or additional features include LED task lighting, easy-to-remove mesh filters, and intuitive touch controls, giving both convenience and efficiency. The product excels with consistent performance, modern design, and straightforward cleaning, but some users may notice higher noise levels on top settings and occasional vibrations. Overall, it's ideal for homeowners seeking a dependable, stylish, and moderately priced range hood. At number 2, we have the Ferregas Island Range Hood, designed for larger kitchens or high-heat cooking environments. Known for powerful extraction and professional-grade performance, it's perfect for kitchens that host frequent gatherings or heavy cooking sessions. It combines 900 CFM of airflow, brushed stainless steel finish, and multiple fan speeds, providing quick smoke and odor removal. Its energy-efficient LED lights, push-button controls, and dishwasher-safe baffle filters add convenience and style. Users appreciate the quiet performance on lower speeds, rapid smoke removal, and elegant design, but drawbacks include heavier weight requiring secure mounting and a higher price point. Best suited for serious home chefs or homeowners seeking a premium kitchen appliance with professional-level ventilation. Finally, at number 1 is the JONZ Island Range Hood, a premium model that offers high-end performance, advanced features, and contemporary design. Covering large kitchen islands, it's perfect for homes that require powerful extraction, quiet operation, and a sleek centerpiece for open-concept kitchens. It includes a 36-inch stainless steel body, 1000 CFM airflow, 3 adjustable fan speeds, touch-sensitive LED lighting, and smart safety features. Its powerful capabilities make it ideal for removing heavy smoke, grease, and odors from the busiest kitchens, while its design adds a luxurious and modern aesthetic. This product shines with superior suction, elegant design, quiet operation, and easy maintenance, though the higher price may affect budget-conscious buyers. If you want the ultimate combination of style, power, and reliability for a high-performing kitchen, this is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best island range hoods this year. From the budget-friendly Empava, to the mid-range Tizi and Medea, the high-performing Ferregas, and the premium JLNZ, there's an island range hood for every kitchen size, style, and cooking need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect island range hood for your kitchen today. Thanks for watching.